Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Hi, and welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll be building a real-time chat application with Remix and Supabase. So what you need to do, first of all, visit this URL supabase.com, or you can just type database.new and it will take you to this screen. You might have to authenticate yourself using your credentials or your GitHub account. I have done that, and here you can see that it's on the create a new project page. What I need to do is provide a project name that I've already provided, chat service, and then I have to provide the database password, which are generated using the generate password link that you can see down below. And then over here, region, you can select the region that you want. For example, in my case, I'll be selecting South Asia, Mumbai. And once that's done, you need to click on create new project. Let's do that. So here you can see that it's created now, the chat service project. What you need to do next is go to your table editor, and over here, we need to create a new table. So you click on new table over here, and then you need to provide the name of the table. So in my case, the name of the table is going to be messages. And once that's done, we can provide optional store user messages. That's the description for it. And over here, make sure that you have enable row level security or RLS enabled. And once that's done, we will be unchecking the enable real-time checkbox. And down below, you can see we have two columns. The first one is the ID itself, and here the type is set to int 8. What we need to do over here is make sure that you are setting the type to UUID, and here you can see by default it's already populating. The ID will be generated using this generate random UUID method. You can choose over here. You can see the option is coming up, and that's how it got populated, and that's going to be our primary key. Now the other one is the created at time span, and the value is going to be now. And if you click on this called icon, you'll see that we have other attributes also, which you can use for other columns and for this one as well. So you can see that is nullable is unchecked, and that's how it is, because every time a new record will be created, the time span will be there. So created state, so created at will never be empty in that sense. Now let's go ahead and add one more column over here. And to do that, we can click on the add column button, and over here, I can provide it a name called content. So that's the name of the column. And then over here, the data type for this is going to be text, and this also is not going to be null. So here is nullable is something which we will uncheck, and that's pretty much it. We have our table schema defined, and click on save now down below. So here you can see that it says creating table now and adding 3 columns to messages. So that's the name of the table, and there you go. We have our messages table created. Now for demonstration purposes, we will insert some records using the insert feature over here. So we'll say insert row, and when I do that, you'll notice that it is prompting me to provide the ID, which is going to be generated by default, and that's the reason why you see it as disabled. Then we have created at as mmddyy and date timestamp. Then we have the content. So here I can write this is my first message, let's say. And once I do that, I can go ahead and click on save. So this is the one record that I've inserted now. As you can see, we have the created at UUID all generated by default. And then let's click on insert and add one more record over here. This is my second message. And once that's done, you can click on save. So what we have done till now is we have created our Supabase project. We created a table. Inside that, we updated its schema by adding a new column to it, updating different types for existing columns like ID and created at, as well as inserting some dummy records in the database. On the next one, we'll see how we can set up a Remix project. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.